How to fix charging auto disconnect problem on iPhone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skytech Studio. And let's say you're just trying to charge your iPhone and the charging is automatically disconnecting. Then don't worry, here in this video I'll show you a couple of ways of how you can fix the problem. So the further ado, let's jump right into the video, guys. So now to fix charging auto disconnect problem, before you do anything, make sure to check out your charging adapter and cable, because sometimes if it's broken, then it may prevent your iPhone from charging. So be sure to check out your charging adapter and cable. And also you can try charging your iPhone with a different charger if you have one. After checking out this one, if you found that you're still having the same problem, and then simply go ahead and tap on this settings app from your device, and then scroll down, tap on battery right over here, and then tap on battery health and charging. And from here, be sure to enable the optimized battery charging and also clean energy charging. And once you do that, just force close the application and see if that fixes your problem or not. And let's say you did this process but you're still having the problem, then this is the time to clean the charging port of your iPhone, because sometimes the dust and debris can stuck in the charging port and it may prevent your iPhone from charging. So take a soft brush and gently clean your iPhone charging port and try charging your iPhone again. And hope one of this process will fix your problem. But let's say you did everything but you're still having the same problem, then all you can do, you can force restart your iPhone. You can press and release the volume up, press and release the volume down, and press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo appears. And this will actually force restart your iPhone. And once you get back, try charging your iPhone with the charger and see if that fixes your problem or not. Hope your problem is going to be solved. But if any case, if you're still having the same problem, then this could be a hardware issue. In case, you just need to contact with Apple Care in order to get further assistance. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.